Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing. I'm gonna open up this package for you guys so we can take a look at it together. But it's something different. It's something that I never owned before. So this is gonna be my very first one ever. And if you've never seen this one, then you're gonna be experiencing this with me for the very first time. But along the way you might have some ideas, you may have some apps that you may want to recommend for me as a very first time user of the iPad. So this is the 10.2 inch, and right here you can see it is the 32 gigabyte variant iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi only. So this includes the iPad, the Lightning to USB cable, the USB power adapter. It says not all features available in all areas, and then that's pretty much it. At the top of the box you get the Apple logo. It says iPad right here, another Apple logo. As you can see, consistency in the branding. And that's pretty much the whole box. So now I just want to show you guys what it looks like when you first peel off the outside edges of this thing. So this product says it came out last year, so that's not bad at all. For many people this will be perfect. So what we're gonna do is lift up the top of the box, and it's really sealed on there really well, so I'm trying to get a nice space between that. I'm almost got it off now, so let me just pop. This is like an air sealed, like when you put it on, when you take it off, you can feel gravity holding that thing down. But this is what the screen looks like. It's pretty big, huge display size here. Let's go ahead and pop this out. You can see we got the volume rockers right here on the right hand side. We do got the power button up top. This thing feels really light as well. There's a headphone jack on this thing right up top. Down below there's two speakers, so these must be the dual stereo speakers. Okay, so this may not have juice in it, so let me just hold down, put this off to the side really quickly, and we're gonna go ahead and see right here what's in this user manual. So you can see we got a bunch of literature. And what else do we have inside of here? So just a bunch of stuff nobody really like bothers to read. You got your brick right here. We're gonna set this up right down here. You also get your lightning cable right here. So that has a perforated edge on it. Let's see if, oh no it doesn't. It just has like this peel off thing. Let me take the tape off, the seal off of here. Oh wow. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this down for like 1, 2, 3, 10. So there's no juice in this thing right now. I just held down the power button for 10 seconds and no life. Okay, boom. So now I'm gonna put this wall adapter down below, right beneath me, to get some juice inside of here. Okay, it's plugged in. Now, let's see, we're gonna put that, the charging goes on the bottom. And let's put this off to the side now. Now you can see, look, the battery was dead. I'll do that again so you can see it's completely dead, guys, on this thing. So, but let me just show you the build quality of it. And you can see that has a really nice body. You get the 8 megapixel right there, the power button. On this side, there's like some type of connector. On this side, it's pretty much all clean with the volume rockers as well. So I'll wait for this to get some juice and then we'll turn it on. Alright guys, so I just kind of want to compare these things so you could kind of see which one is bigger. This is the Lenovo Tab 10.3 inch right here on the left, and this is the actual iPad 10.3 the 10.2 versus the 10.3. So even though the Apple is specified as a smaller device, you could see that its body is a lot bigger than the Lenovo, because the Lenovo is going to have really minimal bezel. So let me just show you what that looks like. See if this facial recognition will work. Oh wow, cool. All right, so let's turn this on. And you can see the bezels on this Lenovo tablet are really slim. And they're really nice looking on this tablet. So this is Lenovo 10.3 inch. So I just wanted to show you a size reference. But wait, let me wait for this iPad 10.2 inch to power on. Oh snap. Alright, so it's turning on right now by itself. Look, it's just, as soon as it's ready, it just turns on immediately. So that's kind of cool. I thought I would have to power it on, but it's turning on. It says that's the greeting screen, and it gives you a whole bunch of different languages to choose from. So this is obviously world renowned. So let me just wait for this to come on. We're at 1% battery right at the top, which is weird. Well, not weird, but I'm just surprised that this didn't have any juice in it. It says press the home touch button. You could tap English to get started. Let's tap our country. It says the quick start is here. You have to set it up manually. I'm gonna set this all up right now, and then I'll be right back. I had to leave the room and then come back, connected to the regular one and then the 5 gigahertz one, and now it's connected. Let me just see to which one. Okay, whichever one, it doesn't matter, but it's telling me to continue, set up the Touch ID. So it's telling me I could put my finger right here, and I just can apply, keep finger on the home button until asked to lift. Oh, it says don't click it either. Okay, so this is actually sick. This is really dope. I'm gonna lie with you guys, setting this thing up takes really long. So just make sure that you have at least a half hour to set this up, even because if you have a bad Wi-Fi connection, it's not gonna be that fast to set up. Let's try dark mode right here, and it says right here that you can do a quick access to dock. You can also switch between apps right here as well. You have quick access to controls right there at the top, which is kind of cool. And then now I'm greeted to my iPad, which is really nice. So when I swipe over, I'm greeted with tips, shortcuts, the App Store, and stories here. And then weather as well. So this is kind of sick. Scroll over. Let's see what we got on here. So we got photo booth, shortcuts, iTunes, Apple Store, clips, GarageBand, numbers, iTunes, and photos, camera, all your apps like that. But make sure you comment down below and suggest some of your favorite applications to me that are free. If you can recommend some free applications, then I would definitely be I would love that. Like, test out the speakers on this thing real quick. I am connected to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, I believe. Oh wow, this is different from Android, because when I swipe down it's a lot different. But let me just go right here and see if we could find some music to listen to or something. One of my videos right here, let's click that one. Let's hit this button and see how loud it gets. Did I just hit the power button by accident? Let me see. Oh, you could play that with the screen locked. Yeah, that sounds pretty loud.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Serrano. And if you're new, make sure you join the crew.
So you can see that the volume is actually really loud on that thing. But we're going to be downloading a lot of apps. I also have a mouse for this thing, which I'll be unboxing as well. And there's a keyboard that I'm going to be using for it as well right here. So I'll pair it up later. Let's see if that's the right size. Yeah, that's like the perfect size for it. It's the same exact alignment to the size of the iPad. So I hope you guys did find this helpful. This is my very first iPad, so this is my first experience using one. And I just want to use this for like video editing and stuff like that. Maybe just have it around the house, maybe use it for travel, If you did find this video helpful in any way possible, please hit the like button and show your support and appreciation as well. But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.